Here's a 2010 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD. This Silverado is never shy about flexing its solid steel muscle. You'll be anxious to put it to work. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: AM/FM XM satellite radio, power heated mirrors, manual tilting steering column, 3 12-volt power outlets, leather and metal look steering wheel, Vortec engine, front tow hooks, electronic shift on the fly, and automatic transmission. Of the Silverado 2500 Heavy Duty, Edmunds.com comments: massive towing and hauling capacities, refined and quiet ride, solid build and materials quality, more in-control steering feel than other HD trucks, comfy seats. In a Chevy, the journey matters more than the destination. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
Elliott Auto Group. We don't do things the old way, we do them the right way. Schedule your test drive today. We're located just off I-30 on Burton Road in Mount Pleasant.